Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to install enhanced conversion tracking on GA4. Now, why would you want to do this? With all the talk of privacy and third-party cookies being disabled in a lot of browsers such as Chrome through Google, this is going to limit some of the ability to track, which is going to affect your ad optimization and what you can collect, what information gets collected through web browsers. So the way to get around this and comply with Google's new rules is to use enhanced conversion so that we collect first-party data that's in accordance with their new rules. So how do you do this with GA4? So if you're using GA4 as your conversion event on your website, this will collect user information on there and allow us to feed it back to Google, for example, back to Google Ads, sorry. So on the left-hand side, go to admin, and then you want to go to data collection. And then you scroll down here and where it says user ID and user provided data collection, click that. And we want to make sure that we turn this on. Now, the reason I'm doing this now is this is going to be pause soon, the ability to actually click this. And turn this setting on allegedly is going to be paused. So make sure you get in there and do it ASAP. So turn that on, everything's fine there. Once we get out of here, we'll save. There is one additional step I just want you to check just to make sure that it is working correctly. Most of you will have this all set up and it will be fine, but go to data streams, click your data stream, scroll down here to Google tag, and then go to configure tag settings. And then down here, we go click show more, and we scroll a little further down, and we want to select allow user provided data capabilities. Click that. And then just make sure that all of these are turned on. Sometimes you might come in and this might be off. Make sure all of these are turned on. So allow user provided data capabilities and then automatically detect user provided data. You do not need to do this unless it's relevant to you. Click save. And that's it. That's all you need to do to set this up. So you're now able to collect this information and better optimize your ads. If you're using the Google Analytics 4 conversion event, and even if you're not, have it as a secondary event, and it will still be collecting this information.